Porsche. The intermediate shaft bearing in older Porsche 911 and Boxster or Cayman models, especially those with M96 or M97 engines made between 1997 and 2008, is prone to failure. The factory-installed IMS bearing used a sealed, grease-packed ball bearing design, which, over time, the grease seal can degrade and fail, causing lubrication loss. Once the bearing loses proper lubrication, metal-on-metal friction can produce metal shavings that contaminate the engine oil and may cause camshaft timing loss, bent valves, and catastrophic engine damage. In many cases, complete engine disassembly is required. Replacement or rebuild of the engine or transmission can run into tens of thousands of dollars. For owners of affected Porsche 911s, Boxsters, or Caymans, careful inspection of oil filters for metal debris and preemptive bearing replacement are highly advised. Hey, before we move forward, if you're finding this video on every luxury car brand's common problems helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more practical automotive tips. Aston Martin. Aston Martin cars often suffer from electrical faults and transmission problems, even in modern models. For instance, many owners of the Aston Martin DB11 report malfunctioning infotainment systems, inconsistent dashboard displays, and central locking or electric window failures. Their transmissions sometimes show rough or delayed gear shifts, slipping between gears, or jerky transitions, in some cases due to clutch problems or flawed hydraulic control in the gear change mechanism. These issues are often attributed to the variability inherent in the hand-built manufacturing process used by Aston Martin, which can lead to inconsistent wiring harnesses, loose ground connections, or imperfect assembly of transmission components. Owners therefore need to expect more frequent maintenance of electronic systems and gearboxes compared with mass-produced luxury cars. Maserati. Maserati vehicles frequently suffer from recurring electrical system failures, including dead batteries, failing sensors, intermittent infotainment system glitches, erratic dashboard warnings, or headlight and module problems. Their suspension components, especially on air suspension setups or sporty calibrations, often wear out prematurely or fail, causing rough or bouncy rides, uneven tire wear, or clunking over bumps. Many models also exhibit clutch or transmission problems where gear shifts become jerky or delayed, clutch assemblies wear out fast, and replacement can be very expensive. Because of these combined issues, electrical faults, suspension degradation, and clutch or transmission wear, maintenance costs for Maserati tend to be high compared with more mainstream cars, and owners should expect potential expensive repairs even under regular use. Bentley. The luxury automaker Bentley frequently faces air suspension failures and electrical system glitches across multiple models. Air suspension problems include air strut leaks or failing compressors, causing uneven ride height or sagging, warning lights, and rough or unstable ride quality. Electrical issues often manifest as malfunctioning infotainment systems, frozen displays, power window failures, battery drain, or persistent dashboard warning lights. Repairing or replacing air suspension struts or compressors and fixing complex electronics in Bentleys can easily result in bills well over $20,000. Rolls-Royce. Rolls-Royce cars are often praised for their craftsmanship, but even they face serious complex electrical and cooling system problems. Many owners report malfunctions in the elaborate electronic systems. Sensors for parking assist or lane departure, infotainment screens, power windows, lighting, and climate control modules sometimes fail due to wiring faults, software glitches, or voltage regulator issues. The charging alternator system can suffer from worn components, leading to battery drain or irregular voltage that causes flickering lights or loss of power to key functions. On the cooling side, leaks from radiator hoses, water pumps, or radiator units in models such as the Rolls-Royce Cullinan can cause coolant loss and engine overheating. Audi. Audi's timing chain tensioner problems can cause serious engine trouble in certain models. On many 2-liter TFSI and some 3-liter TFSI engines, the timing chain tensioner may wear out prematurely, and when that happens, the chain can become loose. A loose timing chain often produces a rattling or clattering noise on cold starts, especially before oil pressure builds. It can also lead to engine misfires, rough idling, reduced power output, or failure to start. If the chain slips or jumps teeth because tensioner failure is ignored, internal engine components like camshafts, valves, and pistons may collide, risking catastrophic damage. Regular maintenance, like timely oil changes with high-quality oil and prompt inspection when you hear unusual engine noise, is critical to prevent or mitigate these failures. BMW cars often suffer from frequent failures in their cooling systems and electronics. Cooling system issues in BMWs include leaking or cracked radiators, failed electric water pumps, and brittle thermostat or expansion tank housings. These problems commonly cause coolant loss and engine overheating. Cooling failures are particularly common on models with electric water pumps, which tend to fail between 60,000 and 90,000 miles. Electrical problems are another recurring complaint. Advanced electronics controlling iDrive, sensors, power windows, and dashboard functions may malfunction, causing erratic warning lights, unresponsive controls, or sensor failures. Repairing these cooling system or electronics failures often becomes expensive, earning BMW a costly maintenance reputation for owners and undermining the brand's luxury appeal. Mercedes-Benz has earned praise for luxury and engineering, but certain problems are recurrent and worth knowing if you consider an older Mercedes-Benz E-Class or Mercedes-Benz C-Class. Rust tends to affect early E-Class models, for example the W210 and early W211, especially on wheel arches, door bottoms, trunk edges, and underbody components. Automatic transmissions, notably those using 7G tronic gearboxes in C-Class and E-Class, often suffer from delayed or harsh gear shifts, slipping, or shifting hesitations when transmission fluid and filter maintenance is neglected. Electrical and sensor faults are another frequent issue. Malfunctions in power windows, central locking, infotainment systems, or various electronic modules are regularly reported. Land Rover vehicles frequently suffer from air suspension breakdowns where components such as air springs, compressors, or height sensors leak, fail, or give incorrect readings, causing the vehicle to sag, ride unevenly, or show suspension fault warnings. In many cases, leaking airbags or worn compressor units lead to uneven ride height or inability to maintain proper suspension levels. Alongside suspension problems, Land Rover frequently faces chronic electrical faults, malfunctioning sensors, wiring issues, or faulty control modules that disrupt systems such as infotainment, doors, windows, or suspension electronics. Repairs for suspension or electrical failures on Land Rover often run very expensive because complex components must be replaced or reprogrammed. Jaguar vehicles, especially older models like the Jaguar XJ and Jaguar S-Type, face issues of timing chain tensioner failures in their V8 engines, a design weakness traced to early plastic tensioners. In those engines, the original plastic-based tensioners could crack or wear, causing the timing chain to go slack, skip teeth on the cam sprockets, which in turn could make valves hit pistons and then lead to some severe engine damage. Additionally, many of these older Jaguars are also reported to have gearbox problems, slipping gears, harsh shifting, or solenoid faults, especially in cars from the late 1990s or early 2000s. Owners of S-Type cars often report rough shifting, hesitation, or even total gearbox failure as the mileage increases. Together, these two mechanical issues, timing chain or tensioner vulnerabilities, and gearbox reliability problems, represent recurring, well-documented weaknesses of older Jaguar models. Lexus vehicles enjoy a reputation for reliability, but there are recurring problems many owners report. The infotainment system in several Lexus models often suffers from glitches, such as frozen screens, lagging touchpad controls, or unresponsive GPS, audio, or phone functions. In hybrid models from Lexus, some owners experience hybrid battery pack degradation or failure after years of use, which can lead to reduced fuel efficiency or hybrid system warning lights. Battery replacement for hybrid units can be expensive. Electrical system issues in hybrids, including occasional 12-volt or high-voltage battery drain, have also been reported. These technical drawbacks stand out as the most frequent concerns among Lexus owners, especially for those who prioritize smooth electronics and long-term hybrid performance. Cadillac cars such as the Escalade and CT6 often suffer from persistent electrical system defects and suspension system failures. Owners report issues like unresponsive infotainment screens, battery drain, dashboard warning lights, malfunctioning rear view or backup cameras, and random loss of visibility or lighting. Additionally, many Escalade models experience failures in their suspension systems, especially the magnetically controlled shock absorbers, which can leak fluid, lose damping ability, and cause a rough ride or vibration at speeds between 50 and 70 miles per hour. In the case of the CT6, official owner complaint records indicate frequent problems under the categories electrical system and suspension. Users of such affected vehicles often end up paying high repair costs or dealing with repeated breakdowns and safety hazards. Hey, that wraps up our look at common problems across luxury car brands, from electrical failures to suspension issues. Which luxury car do you think has the most reliable performance despite these challenges? Comment below with your thoughts, and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more automotive insights. Thanks for watching.